Welcome to my YouTube channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one more project video in the field of digital image processing. The broad area of this project is biomedical engineering. So just go to run this button. It will open one graphical user interface. The title of the code is a novel method of segmentation and analysis of early stage lung cancer detection using computer aided system. So in this project we are going to determine or detect the early stage of cancer, lung cancer, with the help of CAD system. Now just click on first button, that is select image button, and just select affected lung cancer image. So I am going to select this image from input database. Now just click on open. That image will display over this axis. Now after displaying image, now just click on noise remove button. It will remove the noise, all type of noise that can be removed with the help of noise remove button. Now just click on morphology. The morphological processing consists of dilation, erosion, opening, closing type of operations. Now just click on morphology. It will process various morphological operations. Yes, so this is my binary image. This is opening operation. This is nothing but inverted image. This is nothing but object removing image, and this is the broad detection. So in which I am getting two broad detection areas. Now we have to detect the accurate area of the lung cancer. Now just click on detection. So this is my affected area of lung with cancer. Now we have a status like cancer is confined to the lung, and this cancer is on the second stage. Just click on OK. The number of affected circle, is 1. The area of tumor in number of pixels is 1208, and the total time required for execution of this code is 6.07 seconds. And here once again we are getting some status like cancer is confined to the lung, stage second is detected. Now just click on clear all button. It will clear all the content of GUI. Now just click on once again I would like to run this code for second image. Now just click on select image button and just select second image from the database. So I am going to select this image from database. Just click on open button. That image will display over here. Now just click on remove noise button. It will remove the noise. Now just click on morphology. It will process various morphological operations. So in this case, this is my binary image, this is my opening image, inverted, object removing, and this is the broad area detected image. Now just click on detection. It will detect the tumor or detect the cancerous area. So this is nothing but affected area of the lung with cancer. So the total number of infected or affected circles is 1. The area of the tumor is 3971, and the total time required for execution of this code is 1.62 seconds. Now once again just click on clear all button. Now I would like to run this code for third image. So once again click on the button and just select this image, open. Now just remove noise which is present in the image with the help of this button. So this is my image with noise removing. Now just click on morphology. It will produce various outputs like binary image, opening image, inverted image, object recognition, and broad detection. Now just click on detection. Yes, so this is the normal lung. There is no any type of infected area. This is a normal lung. There is no cancer available. Now just click on OK button. So in this case I am getting nothing in the output parameters. This is this lung is nothing but it's a normal lung. The total time required for execution is 2.77 seconds, and we are having status like lung is normal. Now just click on clear all button and just close this GUI by clicking this exit button. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, and if you want more project in the field of digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube channel like my all the videos, share my all the videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.